righty, y'all. We're going to start off today by making a delicious pumpkin orzo. You know, it's hard to resist all those fruits that we get in the fall. We've got some fresh ginger. We've got 3/4 of a cup of canned pumpkin.
Okay.
And we're going to use 1 1/4 cups
Chicken stock.
of chicken stock. And it doesn't matter what order we put all this stuff in, y'all. We're just going to put it in the pan, get this going, and then we're going to add our orzo to it.
All right.
So let me get around here and switch places with you, son. Now, I'm going to just jump over here real quick like, and I'm going to grate you a 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger, okay?
Right. Okay.
There you go.
All right.
That looks like about a 1/2 teaspoon, wouldn't you say,
Thanks,
son?
Mar. I do think so.
Okay, so we're just gonna stir that up with a little salt.
A little salt and pepper.
How easy is that? Okay. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. All right.
Love balsamic.
Can't do anything without a little butter.
Can't get out of bed good without some butter, can you?
No, honey, I have to grease up my feet to get them to moving in the morning. So I can just slide on in the kitchen.
That's enough.
All right, a couple of tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let it, come to a boil, and then we're gonna put in our orzo.
Okay.
And just let it cook for a few minutes.
All right.
Okay? All right, so Bobby, this has come to kind of like a low boil.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put a 1/2 cup of orzo in there, y'all. And just let this simmer for about 15 minutes. So you just sit there, Mr. Orzo.
Oh, I got a hand in both
Look
pots.
at Bobby go, y'all.
I'm handling business in Mama's kitchen today, so y'all stick around. Sure, it's gonna be entertaining.
Taking care of business.
Paula, you got me doing it all. Ready for some pumpkin orzo?
I am so ready for some pumpkin orzo.
It's fall, y'all.
It is fall,
And
y'all.
the recipe is reflecting that.
All right.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll dip the orzo.
All right, and I got the fish.
And you just prop us a little piece of fish right there, son.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that beautiful, y'all?
Looks great.
What a nice little fall lunch is that? And our orzo
And really
turned
simple,
out
too.
great. Very simple.
Oh, and the orzo's
Look
good,
at
too.
that. Oh, Bobby.
What do you think? I love that.
This is out of this world delicious.
It's very, very good.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.